Morning, here from Cologne, Germany. We are here to the Valeria project, and my name is Paschos Konstantinos, and my colleague's name is
Fenia Karkaletsi.
Sfenia Karkaletsi. We're coming from Greece, representing the Association of Adapted Sport and Recreation Activities called Kinetiko Ergastiri in Greek language, and we'd like to tell you a few things about the social inclusion among Europe. Okay, to start with, I would like to ask you, Fenia, what it means for you, social inclusion as a PE teacher.
Okay, to me as a physical education teacher, social inclusion means equal access and opportunities to sport for everyone, regardless race, ethnicity, gender, ability or disability. In order to achieve better inclusion opportunities, we have to lay the ground to make it happen. That means accessibility in sport facilities and installations, and lots of work towards attitude change. I think that our vision should be to have at the same time and at the same place persons with and without disabilities.
Now I'd like to ask you to describe the level of social inclusion in your country, in Greece.
Okay, looking back at the last decade, it's true that there is a significant number of actions focusing on social inclusion, particularly in relation to persons with disabilities. For example, mixed population sport events are being held time to time, where typically developing children have the chance to practice sport together with persons with disabilities. Though there are still certain barriers in that field, such as supporting staff, lack of knowledge and skills, accessibility and stereotype attitudes. Now, Kostas, we would like to tell us what is the value of using sport as a tool for better social inclusion opportunities.
Well, it is important for the personal development of the participants. It helps them build the individual sense of identity and the sense of belonging to the society. It also helps them, and overall their physical and mental well-being. Additionally, we can say that helps them build social skills such as friendship, team cohesion, and adaptability to different environments. We have also to mention that participating in sports is a joy for everyone, regardless his ability or disability. And based on that fact, we can teach them lifelong values such as tolerance, solidarity, respect, and justice.
Okay, could you tell us how did Valeria Project facilitate social inclusion in your country?
Well, our primary target was to raise awareness among parents, students, and teachers towards disability issues. Valeria Project has a clear structure and timeline, and it was easily to be embraced from the participants, and therefore it was much easier for us to transmit the values of Valeria Project, such as justice, solidarity, and acting for the others.
What exactly happened during Valeria campus in Greece?
Well, from the methodological point of view, we have separated the phases in Valeria Athens campus in two sub-phases, let's say. The first one was the theoretical phase, and the second one was the practical one. During the theoretical preparations, we tried to organize some PowerPoint presentations in order to make the students and the teacher better understand their disability issues. We also performed some kind of interactive workshops with the students so that they can feel how it is having a disability and how we should treat and interact with persons with disability. And during the practical event, we set up two different main events. The first one was a competitive game day with mixed population. That means disabled and non-disabled students. We performed track and field activities. And secondly, We organized an open day for the families of our region, regardless if they have disabled or not disabled children, so that they can be members of the broader Valeria project message.
And one last question for you, Kostas. What are the sustainability perspectives of Valeria project in your region?
Well, to my opinion, there are some good perspectives of being sustainable such a program because of its applicable and practical model. It's a practical model to use sport as an inclusive tool. What it is most important regarding the Valeria project is that it showed the way how someone can run low-cost and high-efficiency structured events for those who want to promote lifelong values and fair play, fair life philosophy.
Okay, thank you, Kostas.
You're welcome.